the last 5 years creating and selling online courses, and also helping other experts and entrepreneurs create their own online courses through our done-for-you services. Today, I'm spilling my best hacks to help you launch your online course without all the headaches in just a few minutes. Let's make your online course creation faster, easier, and more profitable. First hack, before you even create your course, validate your idea first. Trust me on this because it can save you a lot of time, money, and heartbreak. Just imagine creating a course only to end up realizing nobody wants it. So all you need to do is hop on a few market research calls or run a market research survey. You really don't have to overthink this. And to do this, you only need 3 things. Your students' point A, where they are now, and their point B, where they want to be. And the gap, what is stopping them from getting from point A to their point B? Your course must fill in this gap. So focus on what your students need, not just what you think they should know. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, make sure to hit the subscribe button below and give this video a thumbs up. I will truly appreciate it. Next up, let's talk about starting with your MVP, or your minimum viable product. If you're the kind of person who wants to test things out, or say you don't yet have a process or a system for what you're teaching just yet, then try launching a live course for your first cohort or batch. I did that with several courses, and it allowed me to get real-time feedback from my students and adjust the content before spending hours on recording. This not only helped me save time, but helped me tweak my curriculum in real time. So here's the deal. If you're a new online course creator or you're just starting out, you don't need to have a fully polished course that's ready to launch. Focus on value first, not perfection. Your course content and quality matters way more than your course tech setup or the aesthetic designs and whatnot. Start small and grow from there. Now on to course creation hacks. One mistake I see a lot of course creators make is trying to pack everything they know into their online courses. But guess what? Less is more. When you're outlining your course, stick to 3 to 5 key steps. Think of it this way. What's the simplest path for your students to get from where they are now to where they want to be? If you had to start over, what would be the 3 to 5 things that you would do? These key steps typically become your modules. Now, don't overcomplicate things. I always tell my clients, don't add too much fluff because it will just overwhelm your students. So keep your course content clear and actionable. And when you're expounding your lessons, stick to the what, why, how formula. What is the concept? Why is it important? And how can they apply it in their lives? It's really simple, but it works every time. Now let's talk recording. You have a few options when it comes to recording your course content: talking head, slides, and demo or tutorials. I recommend mixing things up to keep things engaging in your course. Use a talking head video just like this for your welcome and closing modules. Slides are great for explaining concepts and visual aids, and demo or tutorials are essential for when you need to show something and not just talk about it. Oh, and if you're camera shy, don't worry, you can always use slide presentations and voiceovers. Moving on to setting up your course. The platform you choose matters, but it really doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, I've already created a video talking about a comparison on the things that you need to know when it comes to choosing a course platform. You can check it out here. You see, when I first launched, I hosted everything in a Facebook group because I really didn't want to spend money on a platform. I was a college student at that time, so forgive me on this, okay? It worked though, but I had to do everything manually, like sending invoices, confirming students, and adding them all to the group. It was exhausting. So if you want to save time, choose a platform that automates a lot of the tasks for you. That includes tasks like emails, sales pages, course setup, sequences, payment integration, and so on. Don't shy away from investing in a platform that you know will help you scale in the long run. Also, another pro tip, invest in outsourcing and time-saving tools. It's worth it. So many of my clients have said, Myrra, you can't imagine just how long I've been trying to figure this thing out. But with your help, I got it done so quickly. And that's why, when you can, hire the right people and the experts to help you out. If you know tech or any part of the course creation process isn't your strength, then focus on what you do best and let the experts handle the rest. And don't be afraid to check out our course creation done for you services at myrrakate.com/services. Link in the description box below. Self-plug, self-plug. I promise it will save you hours of time and frustration. On another note, you can also save time with templates, whether that's for sales pages, your copy, your promotional graphics, and more. Just don't over-rely on them, okay? You want your course to stay authentic. But templates are a great starting point for when you're feeling stuck. So now that you've created your course, it's time to launch. First hack, contact your hot leads. If you've done your due diligence and did market research, I'm guessing that there are already people out there who are waiting for your course. The reason being, you actually asked them out about their problems and you created the course for them. So reach out to those people directly. Send them a message, tell them that the course is now live, and answer their biggest questions, if any. Also, get your audience involved in the course creation process. Take them through with you in this course creation journey. Let them help you pick the course name or even share a sneak peek of your sales page. The reason is because this really builds hype and keeps your audience engaged so that by the time that you launch, they're already interested and they can't wait to actually enroll in your course. Finally, create feedback loops. Check in with your students to see how they're progressing through your course and ask for testimonials. And also, don't forget to ask non-buyers why they didn't purchase when you were launching your course. This is considered pure gold for your next launch. And that's a wrap, friends. I hope these hacks help you get your course off the ground faster and with more clarity. Because remember, course creation does not have to be overwhelming or stressful. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to this channel for more course creation videos just like this. Also, comment below, what hack are you excited to try? Let me know. And if you need expert help or support with your course, whether it be strategy, your course curriculum, or your course tech setup, then book a call with me at myrrakate.com/discovery call to see how I and my team can help you out in creating a profitable and transformational online course. I will leave the link in the description box below. As always, keep the faith and know that the best is yet to come. I'll see you in the next video.